so important that you mention, alignment, especially as the Black people on this continent. In your viewpoint, how does Inzalo Yelanga then link to the values like Ubuntu and collective living as the Black people?
Oh, it links us back because it is linked. Everything that we did was linked to nature. So that was a marker. Ubab Credo said in isiZulu, it says mazisakazi, the greatest informant about nature, where we are, what season we are in, what is it that we're supposed to do. So that then made us to align back to nature, because this is where Africa's power is, nature, not things that are material. We thrive for that spiritual power, because when you have found alignment within yourself and outside yourself, you are aligned. Then you are living because you are directing your own future, especially about the things that you allow to dwell in your subconscious mind. So this brings that intelligence that we as African people, we need to follow what our ancestors did, and thrive, be persistent in thriving for that alignment.